Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In today's video, I will show you how to install Google Chrome on Windows 11. And now, let's get started. To begin, you will need to open any web browser that is already on your Windows 11 computer, as Google Chrome is not available on the Microsoft Store. Once your browser is open, search for Chrome Download and press Enter. Look for the official Google Chrome web browser link and click on it. On the Google Chrome download page, you will find a button to download Chrome. Click this button and then select Open when prompted. This action will initiate the download of the Google Chrome setup file. The download process may take a little while to complete. Once the download is finished, the installation will automatically proceed. You do not need to remain on the download page. You can minimize it and continue with your other tasks while Google Chrome installs in the background. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.